Wemily ko Congress na Nongpoh uba Meral Bonds RiKhasi palay jong katayaw, ulapan pao badan kam at pintre kam ya baro ki scheme jong sarkar, lagalong jong sarkar jalala ni jong sarkar kami nakabenta ki Nongrep jong kajala. Habay krem kila patay kubor uba Meral Bond uloong babon na kinong syong shnong jong kajala megalaya ki im na karep karyang barkumtay ki scheme ki bawan lingba ki NRLM bar kiway de ki jerap ki Nongrep day ban pintre kam klem pinsange.
We have seen initiative taken by the state government, by the central government through NRLM to strengthen the village organization, the VO, where they have some financial support to the SAGs has been given, which is a good initiative. Be it a farmer, be it artisan, be it weavers, this is a kind of initiative that has to be carried along. At the same time, initiative through the focus, where we have seen checks has been distributed to different producer group consisting of 10 farmers, 5,000 per farmer. This also will enrich the farmer to get a proper avenue to explore possibility to increase the production of whatever kind of farming they are doing. So we would like to see in days to come, it should not just for now, this should be a continuous process. In this year, preceding year, in next 4 to 5 years, we would like to see this has to be increased from time to time.
Ulong rupa ka sarkar kare ban pinchilori ki Nongrep jong kajala ban pinan kami kini ki scheme kum ka PM Fasal Bhima Yojana bar kiway nakabenta ka jimantoy jong ki.
One of the project of the central government, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana, the insurance scheme for the farmer. We have seen many farmers, they don't take initiative to insure themselves so that at the time when catastrophe or cyclone or hailstorm will come for their vegetable or farming, so that if they have already insured, they will get back those whatever they have lost through their crops through this insurance. It is very important. So more initiative has to be taken by the government, be it central, state government, agriculture department, horticulture department, to encourage farmers to insure themselves through this Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana.